Children, I told you we will do activity 9.2. What is that activity? To show that air expands on warming and contracts on cooling. Now, what are the materials which are required? Bottle, and then this is the empty bottle I have here. This is the empty bottle, and then I have uh, put the balloon in its mouth. Understood? This is deflated balloon, and I have two vessels here. One is, this is cold water, and this is the empty vessel. In this I will put the hot water from this electric kettle, the boiling water, and then you will see that how this balloon, it gets bigger because of the air which expands inside this bottle, sorry, this inside this bottle. So first of all, I will put this uh, hot water in this vessel. I wish you should not do this activity because this is a very boiling hot water. You can get burns from this. That is why I am doing. Now this is the bottle. Okay, this is the bottle. I'm going to put it inside this, and you can see how this balloon, it got bigger because of the air present in the bottle, which is getting heated up because of the boiling water, and it has expanded and it needs space. And because this balloon is uh, covered, it has covered the mouth of this bottle, that is why it's not able to come out. So this way it is proved that air expands on heating. Now if I take it and put it in the cold water, already it has started deflating. You can see here. So this proves that air contracts on cooling, because this is icy cool water, so it contracts on cooling. I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Thank you so much.